Hello everyone, welcome to the channel UMathTube. We are going to solve two more word problems today. Let us start with the first problem. Problem number 1. Lisa is 63 years old now. In next 9 years, Lisa will be 4 times Meg's age. How old is Meg now? Let Meg is now X years old. In next 9 years, Meg will be current age plus 9 years, so X plus 9 years old. In next 9 years, Lisa's current age is 63 years. So in next 9 years, she will be 63 plus 9 years old or 72 years old. But in next 9 years, Lisa will be 4 times Meg's age. So in 9 years, Meg's age is X plus 9 years. So 4 times X plus 9 years will be 72. So from here we get 4x plus 36 equals 72, or 4x equals 72 minus 36, or 4x equals 36. X equals 36 divided by 4, x equals 9. So Meg is now 9 years old, since x is the value of Meg's current age. So we get the current age of Meg, which is 9 years old. So this is the end of problem number 1. Let us now solve the problem number 2. Problem number 2. At 2 a.m. the temperature was 13 degrees. The temperature dropped by 2 degrees every hour till 6 a.m. After that, the temperature increased by 3 degrees every hour till 10 a.m. What is the peak temperature? First of all, the temperature dropped by 2 degrees till 6 a.m. and then temperature increased by 3 degrees till 10 a.m. So the time difference from 2 a.m. till 6 a.m. is 6 minus 2 hour or 4 hour. So total temperature dropped is 4 times 2. Since in every year temperature dropped by 2 degrees, so in 4 hours total temperature dropped is 4 times 2 or 8 degrees. So the temperature at 6 a.m. will be temperature at 2 a.m. which is 13 degrees minus the drop temperature which is 8 degrees. So we get the temperature at 6 a.m. as 5 degrees. Similarly, the time difference from 6 a.m. till 10 a.m. is 10 minus 6 or 4 hours. So the total temperature increased in these 4 hours is 4 times 3, since in every hour the temperature increased by 3 degrees till 10 a.m. So the total temperature increased in these 4 hours is 4 times 3 or 12 degrees. So the peak temperature at 10 a.m. will be the temperature at 6 a.m. which is 5 degrees plus the temperature increased which is 12 degrees. So 5 plus 12 degrees equals 17 degrees. So this is the peak temperature at 10 a.m. So this is the end of problem number 2. Thanks for watching the video. We'll do some more problems in coming videos. Thank you.